Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at AC Electricals. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. In today's episode, we're talking about the beauty of this pot. It's called or known as a pressure cooker. A pressure cooker is something that saves more time. With it you can cook the following. You can cook beef, bones, beans, soup, rice, chicken, and many other things. So what it does, the advantage of this pot is that it minimizes number of hours into minutes. Something that you can cook for about 3 hours. You can use this pot to cook it for 30 minutes. It's very efficient and it has many features. It uses pressure to make sure that it cooks everything. You don't have to put everything and close it up. You can use it to fry other things, but at times where you need, like you're cooking things like beans or beef, same things that take longer hours, you can put everything all together, all the ingredients, lock it up, and then within 30 minutes to 45 minutes you'll be good to go. This is a very good and efficient pot. I would recommend any household to have one. It has many features. With the very same pot, you can steam your food, you can cook with it, you can boil with it, you can cook stew as well. It has a lever to control your pressure on top here, and then there's a seal. The lid must have this seal in order to contain the pressure. The pot, the one that we use for cooking, you can take it out and wash it outside of the pot. It's very efficient. It's a way to go. Every household in future, this is the future, each and every household must have this in order to save electricity and to save time.